Hello everybody and welcome to the Creafoam channel. My name is Hans and today we're going to make a foam crown. What we need is foam, not EVA foam but Creafoam, which sticks together without using glue. The only thing you need is hot air using a heat gun. We do have videos on how to cut foam and on the different gluing techniques, so be sure to watch those first if you haven't done that already. These are the pieces we're going to need. If you're interested in the patterns, you can download them on our website. The first part we're going to use is this one. And before we start, we have to choose what height the crown has to be. So, for example, this is a low crown. This one is a little bit higher. So, for this example, I'm gonna make it a little bit lower by cutting a piece off. And the next thing is to adjust this crown to your head size so that it fits nicely. To adjust this crown to my head size, I have to cut off a little piece. I use this line here. I measured it before. And of course also the other side. For the next step, we're going to glue these different layers on top of this one. You can choose how many layers, but for this hat we're going to use 1, 2, 3 layers. For this layer I'm going to use red, and we're going to glue these pieces a little bit lower than this point. So you can see the line here, that's the one we're going to follow. As you can see, we have one part left, but we'll use it at a later time. Also, make sure when you glue this piece that you don't glue it too far. So only this bit. Okay. For the next layer, I'm going to use white. Same thing. We follow the same line. And we glue it just with a little part, not too far. As you can see, we have 2 pieces left. We'll use it at a later time. Now we're going to turn the whole piece and use this side. So now you have a lot of different options. You can take this piece and glue it like this. You can also glue it inside out. You can use different heights. You can also glue them like this. And every option you choose gives you a different type of foam crown. So you can be really creative here and you can do anything you like. So this one, we only used 2 layers. The first layer in green has all these types of curls, and the blue one is just glued on this little piece here. This one is a little bit higher and has 3 layers, with the 3rd layer, the green one, standing up. This one also has 3 layers. The top 2 layers are all glued sideways for a different effect. So the next step, we're going to turn this over again and glue these two sides together. Don't forget to heat the inside as well. Now it's time to glue these last three pieces. First the red one. So now it's time for the second layer. Again, you have different options on how to glue this piece or this layer. It's up to you, you can do whatever you want. Now, same thing with the third layer. Again, different options. Again, you can choose whatever you like. So now this hat is finished, unless you want to use finishing materials like glitter foam, tubes, LED lights, or maybe some feathers. But the main part is ready and looks like this. Here you can see the different models, also the different colors and the various finishing materials. The glitter foam, feathers, stones, there are also tubes and LED lights, and we also have videos on how to use all these materials and to incorporate them in your hats. Now it's up to you to make your own crown. When you're watching on Facebook, please share and like this video. When you're watching on YouTube, have a look at our other videos or subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter. If you have any questions, use the contact form on our website or use the comment section here below. Thanks for watching.